But I'm gonna tell you like this. I don't know what couple or what gang these two old ass bitches that were at the fucking post office sitting up motherfucking gang stalking antics and games, and they don't want to talk shit. Man, God done tried me and tested me, and I done prayed about it. But y'all got me fucked up. I'm not gonna waste another goddamn 10 minutes of praying and patience to deal with you motherfucking witches. This is a game for y'all. Now, I don't know how many souls y'all done got before the motherfucker I seen helping y'all before I came up in here. But, bitch, okay. Dude told me you're done. Okay, you're done. I'm at the machine. Back the fuck up. Why the fuck would you come stand next to somebody over my motherfucking shoulder? Over my shoulder, cuz. With this horrible, horrible, horrible bitch, and you tried to say you had it since you were a child. Yeah, you witch ass bitch, I bet you have, because you're out here stealing motherfucking people's souls over their shoulders and shit. Get the fuck back. This bitch still so close to me with her stomach growling. I told her just go ahead and have the machine. I'll wait. So another motherfucking 10 minutes. But when your old girlfriend came up in there just to co-sign that, oh yeah, you're getting her, huh? And I seen this shit, and I don't know. This 20 minutes of my motherfucking life that you bitches installed, it ends right here. Right here, right now. And I told the bitch, after I seen her exit out the fucking system 3 fucking times, that you guys is playing a game. You witches need to get the fuck away from me. And yes, I did say that. Because at this point, oh, growling ass, gang stalking bitches, get the fuck away from here with me with that shit. Real talk.